Hey, just like that, I've got 3 doorknobs installed, and look, I've got 2 of these left. Now what can we do with these last 2? Now granted, this bathroom, the master bathroom, we decided not to change out this old handle because this handle is still working. See, it's getting a little tired, I can tell that, but the owner decided they didn't want to spend the money. Now let's see if the last person put a little one of these pins up above like they're supposed to, above this bathroom door on the outside. I don't see one, do you? See, I would see a little ring like this sticking out. Nothing there, nothing up there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give them one of these new ones. Okay, and I'm going to put it right up here in the corner, right like that. Push it in there. Now that little ring sticks out, so in case anybody locks this bathroom door on you, okay, any kid or anybody by accident, you can just reach up there. Let's lock this door, shall we? I'm going to lock this door. Okay, I do not have a key for that door, do I? I do not have a key. No joke, it's locked. Can't get in. But yes, of course I can get in, because I've got my goodie right above the door. I take that, put it in the pin in the bottom of the door, the handle, and see that handle, all the handles, most handles have a little pinhole. See that? That's right. That little pinhole, I'm going to take this, I'm going to put that right in there and push on it. Kaboom. Now, if you have that kind with the pinhole, that's how you're going to open your door. If you don't have a pinhole, if you've got just a slide, you might have something that's just long. You can use a dime on there, you can use a little screwdriver, and you're just going to use that as a screwdriver. You're just going to turn it. You turn that, and it click, and it pops the door open on the other side. Okay? So we're going to be good stewards, aren't we? We're going to help these people out. I'm going to give them one of my little goodies right there. And see, I don't have to put one above this door. Obviously, I don't have to put one above the master bedroom door. Ooh, that's a cool picture. Because why? Because this is out into a wide open area. I don't want someone going up there, looking up there, saying, "What's this?" Okay, so because there's another bathroom over here in this little alcove area here. See, here's a bathroom door here. Remember, we put one up here at the corner. See, there it is, right there. And we can use that for both of these doors. This door here and this door right here. You know, I could take this last one and I could put it right up here in this corner. I could put it right up like that if I wanted. Okay. I'm going to be greedy. I'm not going to do that, because every once in a while, actually I have a ton of these because I've been installing these, but if you don't, you always want to keep one back or something for yourself for any time you need one to change the handles. You know, if somebody put the handles in backwards, you know how to change those out now, don't you? You know how to change these handles if they're wrong. Okay? As long as it's universal. If it's not a universal one, and if it's an old style handle, maybe it's a paddle handle like this, but it's 15 years old, and you go to try to pop it off, and you don't see any holes. That's because they're non-interchangeable, or there's a hole, but you can't reverse them. Okay, because they used to be right-handed and left-handed. But for this instance, because I have, oh shoot, I probably have 8 or 9 of these extra. And so because I do, I'm going to give them this other one. Sure enough, I'm going to put it right there in the corner, right up on the inside corner. Because see, this side's not on an inside corner, is it? This one here, I wouldn't put it over here. I'd go ahead and put it over here, up on the corner. So the reason why I'm giving them 2 as well is somebody might lose one of these. And if they do, maybe they can find this one over here. Maybe they can go into the bathroom on the other side and find that one over there, or something like that. Okay, there's a tip for you. Maui, baby, wish you were here But because you're not, I'm bringing it to you with these videos. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.